Central Saanich Fire Hall No. 1 serves as the municipality's primary fire station. Plus, it accommodates both volunteer and career personnel, operates as the district's emergency operations center, and houses the district's IT infrastructure. It's a critical building for community safety and an integral part of Central Saanich. Fire Hall No. 1 was also designed to incorporate alternative energy systems. The 20,000 square foot station, completed in 2014, is LEED Silver certified, and in addition to many environmentally responsible features, was already designed to maximize energy efficiency. Naturally, it was the perfect candidate for the addition of solar power.
Well, the District of Central Saanich has a vision for a low-carbon community, so that was our motivation. We have a climate leadership plan that states a goal to achieve 100% renewable energy by 2050. So we're looking at ways in which to accelerate that direction, and the fire hall is a perfect example of renewable energy.
Determining the right building for installation and funding the solar power project were the two key pieces to making it a reality. When choosing a building, the fire station was a great fit. The ample roof space provided an open exposure, and the building had already been designed with alternative energy sources in mind. To fund the project, the municipality established a Climate Action Reserve Fund, and then contracted Hakai Energy Solutions to create and implement a design that would be suitable for the fire hall's needs. As an electrical contractor specializing in solar energy integration and remote off-grid power systems, Hakai Energy Solutions has brought reliable and efficient power to many communities along the BC coast, including Alert Bay, Bellacoola, Lasqueti Island, and Klemtu. While the Central Saanich Fire Station No. 1 project isn't located in such a remote location, it had its own special challenges that Hakai needed to overcome. Most notably, it would be the largest single solar array on Vancouver Island and one of the largest in British Columbia. Over the course of 3 months, Hakai's design team visited the fire station to plan and install the energy system, which holds 360 solar panels in 2 lots, one on the larger east roof and a smaller one on the west roof. Together, the arrays generate over 143,000 kilowatt hours per year, with a peak output of 100 kilowatts AC, the maximum allowable capacity under BCHydro's net metering program. Compared to other sources, solar power provides energy with minimal environmental impact. While it requires an investment up front, the cost of solar panels has decreased significantly, and it will provide a critical source of energy for Canadian urban development into the foreseeable future. Now completed, Central Saanich Fire Station No. 1 is able to produce the majority of its own energy needs using 2 self-contained energy sources, solar and geothermal. As part of the goal to encourage greater public engagement, a screen providing real-time data will be available and accessible for the public to view in the main lobby of the fire hall. Over the next 12 years, the district will recoup its investment into the Climate Action Reserve Fund through savings from reduced hydro costs, providing no impact on property taxes. Once recouped, Central Saanich can use the fund to establish other solar and sustainability projects. In the long run, the project will return over $450,000 to the district in energy savings by 2045. And as the panels continue to age, the project will return over $1 million in savings. Successful, profitable initiatives like the Central Saanich Fire Hall No. 1 show what a community can achieve when they plan and work towards their goal of sustainability. Central Saanich is putting policies in place to reduce the community's energy needs, and with Hakai Energy Solutions, they've continued to pursue their target of seeing the entire community running on 100% renewable energy.